Hi, I'm Sharon, and I'm all about helping you to transform chaos to harmony in a hurry-up world so that you have inner peace, renewed hope, and greater happiness, so that you can be focused and that clarity and to be able to make it through your day without going completely crazy. Because I know what that busy to-do list is all about. We make a list of things that we have to do, and then we look at it frequently throughout the day, and for some reason, we never seem to catch up with it. And so I shared with you about putting out that APB for inner harmony. And when you do, and you've paused and you've had a few deep breaths, it's probably... excuse me. When you do that... You've put out the APB, you've gained awareness, you've paused, and you've taken a breath. And then, I'm not doing this accidentally, this is on purpose, yawn. Yes, yawn. You know, it's really strange, but when you yawn, it initiates the peculiarness of the brain. That helps to cool off the brain, to give us more focus, to have more compassion, to have clarity of speech. And it helps to give us more energy and to kind of wake us up. And so you're not being rude if you yawn in front of, my goodness, other people. And if you can't yawn, just do a few fake yawns and then a real one will come along. And not only will you start to yawn and feel better and have more clarity, more compassion, be much more awake, you'll be helping others to do it as well. Because yawning is pretty catchy. It's a contagious thing. So yawn. Put out the APB for inner harmony. Have a yawn, because that's going to help you to feel more focus, more clarity, be better decision making, and to find that harmony from within. Until next time, there is a greatness that lies within you. Find the silence and quiet mind, the two elements that are essential for your success, and that APB. All the best. Many blessings.